Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python from mobile-only way. Open your phone and install a good Python app, create a simple daily plan, and commit to short focused sessions. Begin with variables, loops, and functions, then build small projects like a calculator or to-do app. Run code often, read errors, and iterate. Keep files organized and back up progress to cloud storage for easy access across devices. Choosing the right apps makes mobile learning smooth and fun. Look for an editor with a REPL, good keyboard support, and file management so you can run and edit scripts easily. Integrated tutorials help you follow guided lessons without leaving the app. If you plan to build more advanced projects, pick tools that allow installing a few common libraries to practice real coding scenarios and dependencies. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful content. Quick recommendation. I use the Owala water bottle when coding on the go because it fits cup holders and keeps me hydrated through long practice sessions. It's a small comfort but makes mobile study more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Tiny projects are the fastest path to real learning on mobile. Pick simple ideas like a tip calculator, habit tracker, or quiz app and complete them in small focused sessions. Prioritize clarity over complexity, then refactor code to improve structure and readability. Reuse code in new projects, learn from mistakes, and track progress so you see how tiny wins add up to solid skills over time without needing a desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.